Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Our clarity is clearly without origin or engagement. It is nothing at all. It is thusness, the direct perception of unsought awareness, as it is in the transmission, is non-dual. We understand this clearly. We cut through our movements. Non-dual wisdom is perfected in the One. This is a transmission of a heart essence, in which we do not settle on some other. We understand this clearly. We have no doubts. As for the mirror of our self-originating sentience, things are clear just as we perceive them. We hold to our understanding and our engagement. This is the transmission of the self-luminous awareness of samadhi. When there is no joy, we must understand this clearly. Unmoving yoga is the supreme path. Faultless awareness is a treasure for the wheel. Self-luminous awareness is a directly perceived clarity. The experience of happiness arises from our own selves. It is not a project. The true nature of illusion is peace. We abide in the resolve of an awareness that does not hunt. The Tantra's transmissions and Upadesha instructions are perfected in the One. Like the sunrise on the pure islands of gold, this clarity is beyond discussion. Total awareness is a transmission of self-luminous perfection. Sentient beings have been Buddhas from the beginning, so what are we looking for by hunting through our ideas? Our wisdom moves through everything. We use an assuredness with the sounds of magical words to teach ourselves a meaning that is sure. From the faces of our gurus, we understand what is certain. The wisdom that illuminates everything is pervasively present. But we do not understand the winds of the way things are. Our key is an awareness of magical words. The sounds of words that are sure are most clear. It is due to some specificity of understanding that we immerse ourselves without distraction into these things that are our true purpose, and so we become clear. This and that come about by stages. Anyone who has a simple position about anything holds to their position. We will not realize what we hunt for, yet there is nothing that we do not hunt for. We do not find anything. This is the reason we are tired.